Panguva ino iri kuonekwa kunzi the ruling party ZANU-PF has failed the country, vatadza kurana our economy. Panguva inoi kunyatso kuonekwa kunzi they really know the truth, kuti these guys they are now incapacitated. They know the people are able to raise the country to a certain level which everyone will be satisfied and benefit from our country. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Panguva ine tuna vanhu vaya vachipraisa mutungamiri wemain opposition ari NACHAMISA vachiti the regime our has failed him, vamukonewa. Tipina paendo ya comrade Munongero wamudanyora chiti they came for him in his early days in politics and they failed. Then they came after MDC and destroyed it. They then came MDC alliance and they destroyed it. Finally, they snatched away his Citizen Coalition for Change brothers and destroyed it. Surprisingly, NelsonchamIsa is still standing. We shall stand with you, Nero. Domash Kabuda Panapona Chit Iowa, Tirambatakamira NelsonchamIsa, just because in all these cases and scenarios Akatika before, there are some individuals and some people who accepted to be bribed or another regime. But Panapochan Gorachiti, Tirambatakamira NelsonchamIsa, Anoti, NelsonchamIsa, Wakaramba Jese, Wakaramba offers, Wakaramba Kutengesa, Wakaramba kusela out our wagari eZimbabwe. Right now people they are proud. Vachiti kunyange ari NelsonchamIsa zvikanzi naso vakanyarara, zvikanzi naso posta evhesi vanhu akatukwa nevanhu, isu tokuramba tingori pavari. Vanhu vachiti ari NelsonchamIsa, this is our true leader. Mbotidza mafunguro enyu notikudipa pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Tichiona kuti munyika yeZimbabwe panapa things they are not fine. Things that are upside down. The economy is struggling. Look at the regime, corruption, nepotism, self-enrichment. To the mafunguro in the comment section, so subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.